I don't know if I was ready for my relatives in the United States or if they were ready for me. My aunts were very old, uneducated. Now, I don't blame them. They were who they were. They did the best to take care of themselves. They were my father's brothers and sisters. My grandfather had 14 children, 10 with the first wife, 4 with the second wife. My father was the youngest of the 14 children. Now, what happened was one of my aunts remembers that he was a kleinkind when they left him. I have letters from my grandfather. By the way, he had a beautiful handwriting. He was even his English was beautiful. He was. I have a letter from 1913. So some of his children came here in 1913. At that time, Dorchester wasn't even Jewish at that time. They lived in the North End. The Jewish people, when they came in the early 1900s, settled in the North End. My aunts who came here, and one uncle, they had a tough life. They worked in the sweatshops. And on a Friday night when we were sitting and eating, when I lived with them, and my aunt would start telling me stories that when she was a younger maiden and the sorrows she had, and to work, and the way she described a stickerle bread and a herring, and on top of it, they had to send some kind of money to their father. So others would come. They would send one and then another and another. So listening to them, the early life that they had, I said, Gott sei Dank, and I had a very good life. And I didn't have it so bad because I survived all the difficulties that surrounded me, and I came out alive and I came out well.